POV. Do African trade or go back to your ex. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is how I stretch my hair if I'm not too lazy. Sorry guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another hair video. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Nneoma. Thank you for joining the family. So this is how I stretch my hair, like I said, when I'm not too lazy. But if I'm too lazy, I will just do twisting. I will just do, is it twisting or twist out? I will just do twist out, whichever one please. So, but since I'm not too lazy, I am doing it traditional way. Tradition way. Hey God, I beg you. So I'm using wood to stretch my hair like, normal trade. So that is what, oh, you guys, forgive me. I mentioned my ex in this video. Ex, please don't be offended because I know you are going to watch this video. Notification is going to pop up and you are going to watch this video because he's also a subscriber. Oh, sorry. Please don't be offended, my love. So you guys, I don't know, I had fun making this video because I was in my best mood. Like I said, I was not too lazy, so making it was easy. But I don't know, maybe because I mentioned my ex, so I had, my hand was paining me, or maybe because my hair is too long. I don't know which one. Well, scratch that, because my hair is too long. So that is why my hand was paining me. So yeah, so what really happened? Just pat your hair, hydrate and moisturize the tangle, then go ahead with your trading. Oh, oyibo. So guys, please forgive my manners. Just watch and see the end result. I wanted to stretch my hair because I want to braid, but you guys, I ended up styling it in a way that I'm going to carry it maybe a week, 2 weeks, I don't know, but I just love this style. So I don't know, you guys, I'm talking bullshit right now, so just watch. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. God, I beg you. You are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself the way you are, because you are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself the way you are, because you are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. do African trade or go back to your ex.
Awesome just the way you are. Awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself the way you are, because you are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself the way you are.